You've probably watched hours of YouTube videos about becoming a virtual assistant, but when it's time to actually start, you freeze because you don't know what to do first. I've been there. I wanted to make money so badly, but I was stuck. No niche, no services, and no idea on how to actually find clients. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step roadmap for starting a virtual assistant business from scratch, even if you have no experience and no audience. By the end, you will know what to do in your first 30 days, from defining your services to landing your first client. And if you want to follow along with my 30-day workbook that guides you through this plan day by day, it's linked below. All right, let's jump in. The first thing you need is clarity. Don't worry about tools, websites, or social media yet. Those come later. In week 1, focus on answering 3 simple questions. Question 1, what services can I offer right now based on the skills I already have? Question 2, who do I want to help? Are they business owners, coaches, creators, agencies? Question 3, what kind of work do I actually enjoy doing? For example, if you're organized and like details, you could offer administrative support or inbox management. If you love visuals, you could help with Canva design or social media content. In my workbook, there is a quick exercise that helps you list your skills and turn them into actual virtual assistant services in under 30 minutes. Once you have defined your services and ideal client, you have already built your foundation. Now, week 2 is all about pricing and packaging, and this is where most beginners get confused and they end up getting stuck. You don't need to guess your rates or copy someone else's pricing. Just start simple. Pick one pricing model: hourly for flexible, smaller tasks; package for defined services like managing a client's social media; retainer for long-term clients. And this is a quick example for you that you can use. Let's say you want to make $500 per month and you can handle 2 clients comfortably. That's $250 per client. If each takes 10 hours, you're at $25 per hour. The workbook walks you through these calculations with templates so you can confidently price your services and know what you're worth. Week 3 is all about building your systems, the part that makes you look professional. You will need 3 key tools. 1, a simple Google Drive or Notion folder to organize your work. 2, a contract or agreement. Don't overcomplicate it. My workbook includes one. 3, basic templates. These could be onboarding forms, invoices, and welcome messages. This week is where your virtual business stops feeling like a dream and starts looking like an actual business. You don't need a fancy website. Just create a Google document or a Canva 1-page that outlines your services and pricing, and that's your mini portfolio that you can use. And finally, week 4, launch and outreach. You're ready to go public and start connecting with potential clients. And this is what I recommend. Reach out to people you already know. This could be former colleagues, small business owners, coaches, creators, agency owners. Post on LinkedIn, share what services you're offering and that you're taking on new clients. Use the simple outreach message in my workbook. It's polite, confident, and proven to get replies. You only need 1 or 2 clients to validate your business and start earning. By day 30, you'll have a clear service to offer, pricing, systems, and a repeatable outreach process. That's all you need to officially launch your VA business in 30 days. So that's how you start your virtual assistant business. No experience, no fancy tools, just a clear plan. I built my 30-day VA business workbook to make this easy for you. Each page gives you 1 action per day so you can go from confused to client ready in a month. You can grab it using the link below. And if you found this helpful, hit subscribe and like this video because I'm going to keep posting videos that help you build your VA business faster, better, and smarter. Now go start building. Bye. See you in the next video.